Afraid of, she's always been afraid of spiders since childhood. Famous for, the city is famous for its historic landmarks. Bored with, he was bored with the monotonous routine of his job. Angry about, she was angry about the unfair treatment she received at work. Happy about, we were all happy about the news of her promotion. Nervous about, he's feeling nervous about his upcoming job interview. Anxious about, she's anxious about the outcome of the exam. Enthusiastic about, they were enthusiastic about joining the new project. Excited about, the children were excited about the upcoming field trip. Furious about, she was furious about the unexpected delay. Mad about, he's mad about his favorite team losing the game. Nervous about, they were nervous about their first day at school. Pessimistic about, she's always been pessimistic about the future of the economy. Sad about, he felt sad about missing the family gathering. Serious about, she's always serious about her work and responsibilities. Upset about, he was upset about the misunderstanding with his friend. Worried about, she's worried about her upcoming exams. Bad at, unfortunately, she's bad at remembering names. Good at, he's always been good at playing the guitar. Surprised at, they were surprised at the sudden turn of events. Amazed at, she was amazed at the breathtaking view from the mountaintop. Angry at, he was angry at himself for making the mistake. Annoyed at, she was annoyed at the constant interruptions. Awful at, unfortunately, he's awful at keeping secrets. Bad at, despite practicing, she's still bad at public speaking. Brilliant at, he's always been brilliant at solving complex problems. Clever at, she's clever at finding innovative solutions. Delighted at, they were delighted at the unexpected surprise. Disappointed at, she was disappointed at not getting the job. Excellent at, he's excellent at mastering new skills. Excited at, they were excited at the prospect of a long weekend. Good at, she's always been good at adapting to new environments. Hopeless at, unfortunately, he feels hopeless at cooking. Mad at, she was mad at her brother for breaking her favorite toy. Present at, he was present at the important meeting. Shocked at, they were shocked at the unexpected turn of events. Skilled at, he's always been skilled at playing various musical instruments. Successful at, she's been successful at achieving her career goals. Surprised at, we were all surprised at the sudden announcement. Terrible at, unfortunately, she's terrible at remembering directions. Slow at, he's slow at completing tasks under pressure. Lucky at, she's always been lucky at winning contests. Amazed by, he was amazed by the incredible talent of the street performer. Impressed by, she was impressed by the grandeur of the historical monument. Surprised by, we were surprised by the unexpected arrival of old friends. Amazed by, they were amazed by the beauty of the natural landscape. Delighted by, he was delighted by the thoughtful gesture of his friend. Disturbed by, she was disturbed by the loud noises coming from the construction site. Excited by, they were excited by the prospect of a new adventure. Fascinated by, she was fascinated by the intricate details of the artwork. Impressed by, he was impressed by the professionalism of the team. Inspired by, she was inspired by the powerful message of the motivational speaker. Astonished by, they were astonished by the unexpected turn of events. Shocked by, he was shocked by the sudden revelation. Surprised by, she was surprised by the arrival of her favorite celebrity. Eligible for, he is eligible for the scholarship due to his academic achievements. Prepared for, she's prepared for the challenges that lie ahead. Responsible for, he is responsible for managing the project. Eager for, she's always eager for new opportunities to learn. Eligible for, they are eligible for the discount based on their membership. Famous for, the city is famous for its vibrant cultural events. Grateful for, she is grateful for the support she received during tough times. Notorious for, the neighborhood is notorious for its high crime rates. Prepared for, we are prepared for the upcoming challenges. Ready for, he is ready for the important presentation. Renowned for, the restaurant is renowned for its delicious cuisine. Responsible for, she is responsible for overseeing the project. Respected for, he is respected for his dedication to community service. Sorry for, she is sorry for any inconvenience caused. Suitable for, the job is suitable for someone with your skills. Thankful for, they are thankful for the generosity of their friends. Made from, the sculpture is made from recycled materials. Safe from, the house is safe from the storm's impact. Free from, the garden is free from weeds, thanks to regular maintenance. Absent from, he was absent from the meeting due to illness. Different from, her perspective is different from that of her peers. Free from, the document is free from errors after thorough proofreading. Made from, the cake is made from scratch using fresh ingredients. Protected from, the wildlife is protected from hunters in the national park. Safe from, they felt safe from harm in the secure environment. Disappointed in, she was disappointed in herself for not meeting the deadline. Experienced in, he is experienced in handling complex projects. Successful in, she has been successful in achieving her career goals. Disappointed in, they were disappointed in the quality of the product. Experienced in, he is experienced in navigating challenging situations. Interested in, she has always been interested in exploring new cultures. Involved in, they are actively involved in community service projects. Polite in, impolite in, he is polite in professional settings but can be impolite in casual conversations. Present in, she was present in the room during the entire meeting. Skilled in, he is skilled in using various programming languages. Slow in, unfortunately, he tends to be slow in completing assignments. Successful in, she has been successful in building a thriving business. Talented in, he is talented in playing multiple musical instruments. He's afraid of, spiders are something he's afraid of since childhood. Silly of, it was silly of him to believe in such outrageous rumors. Afraid of, she's always been afraid of the dark. Ashamed of, he was ashamed of his dishonest actions. Aware of, she is aware of the potential risks involved. Capable of, despite challenges, they are capable of overcoming obstacles. Certain of, he is certain of the success of the project. Conscious of, she is conscious of her environmental impact. Envious of, she is envious of her colleagues' success. Independent of, the system is independent of external influences. Jealous of, he is jealous of his friends' achievements. Kind of, it was kind of them to offer assistance. Nice of, it was nice of her to help us during the crisis. Proud of, she is proud of her team's accomplishments. Scared of, the child is scared of the thunderstorm. Silly of, it was silly of him to forget his own birthday. Sweet of, it was sweet of them to throw a surprise party. Typical of, the behavior is typical of a rebellious teenager. Addicted to, he is addicted to playing video games for hours. Allergic to, she is allergic to certain types of nuts. Related to, they are related to each other through distant cousins. Accustomed to, the locals are accustomed to the extreme weather conditions. Addicted to, she is addicted to watching reality TV shows. Allergic to, he is allergic to pollen, causing seasonal allergies. Committed to, she is committed to making a positive impact in her community. Dedicated to, he is dedicated to achieving excellence in his field. Indifferent to, he is indifferent to the ongoing political debates. Kind to, she is always kind to animals and treats them with care. Married to, they have been happily married to each other for over a decade. Opposed to, he is strongly opposed to the proposed changes. Receptive to, she is receptive to new ideas and suggestions. Related to, the two families are related to each other through marriage. Similar to, the two paintings are remarkably similar to each other. Superior to, the new model is considered superior to the previous version. Unfriendly to, she is unfriendly to strangers but warms up over time. Blessed with, they are blessed with a loving and supportive family. Crowded with, the market is always crowded with shoppers during weekends. Familiar with, he is familiar with the local customs and traditions. Angry with, she is angry with her colleague for not meeting the deadline. Associated with, the brand is associated with high-quality products. Bored with, he is bored with the repetitive nature of his job. Blessed with, she is blessed with a talent for playing musical instruments. Confronted with, he was confronted with unexpected challenges during the project. Content with, they are content with the results of their hard work. Crowded with, the event was crowded with enthusiastic participants. Delighted with, she was delighted with the surprise birthday celebration. Disappointed with, they were disappointed with the quality of the product. Fed up with, she is fed up with the constant noise from construction. Familiar with, he is familiar with the latest technological advancements. Furious with, she was furious with her team for the communication breakdown. Okay with, he is okay with the proposed changes to the project timeline. Pleased with, they are pleased with the positive feedback from clients. Popular with, the new smartphone is popular with tech enthusiasts. Satisfied with, she is satisfied with the outcome of the negotiations. Afraid of, he's afraid of heights, so he avoids tall buildings. Grateful for, she is grateful for the support during difficult times. Notorious for, the neighborhood is notorious for its high crime rates. Prepared for, they are prepared for any challenges that may arise. Ready for, he is always ready for unexpected opportunities. Renowned for, the city is renowned for its cultural heritage. Responsible for, she is responsible for managing the project team. Respected for, the professor is highly respected for his groundbreaking research in the field. Sorry for, she felt genuinely sorry for her mistake and apologized to her colleague. Suitable for, the job is suitable for someone with your skills and experience. Thankful for, we are all thankful for the support and kindness shown during difficult times. Made from, the sculpture is made from recycled materials, highlighting the artist's commitment to sustainability. Safe from, the sturdy bunker kept them safe from the storm's fury. Free from, the garden was finally free from weeds after a day of thorough maintenance. Absent from, his absence from the meeting was noticed by everyone. Different from, her approach to problem solving is different from traditional methods. Free from, the newly adopted policy aims to keep the workplace free from discrimination. Made from, the cake was delicious, made from fresh ingredients and love. Protected from, the thick walls protected them from the harsh winter winds. Safe from, the child felt safe from monsters with a nightlight in the room. Disappointed in, about, she was disappointed in her performance but remained optimistic about improvement. Experienced in, he is experienced in handling challenging projects and tight deadlines. Successful in, the team was successful in achieving their quarterly targets. Disappointed in, they were disappointed in the lack of progress despite their efforts. Experienced in, the candidate is highly experienced in managing complex financial portfolios. Interested in, she has always been interested in exploring new cultures and traditions. Involved in, the community is actively involved in various social initiatives. Polite, impolite in, it is essential to be polite in professional settings to maintain a positive work environment. Present in, the artist was present in the studio, working on the latest masterpiece. Skilled in, the technician is highly skilled in troubleshooting complex machinery. Slow in, the turtle was slow in crossing the road, causing a temporary traffic delay. Successful in, the entrepreneur has been successful in launching several innovative startups. Talented in, she is exceptionally talented in playing the piano and violin. Afraid of failing, he's afraid of failing, so he puts in extra effort to succeed. Capable of, the new software is capable of handling large datasets efficiently. Silly of, it was silly of him to forget the important meeting. Afraid of, she's afraid of heights and avoids tall buildings and cliffs. Ashamed of, he felt ashamed of his behavior and apologized to his friends. Aware of, the students should be aware of the importance of time management. Capable of, despite initial doubts, she proved capable of leading the project to success. Certain of, he is certain of his decision and stands by it. Conscious of, always conscious of environmental impact, she opted for eco-friendly products. Envious of, she was envious of her colleagues' promotion but congratulated them sincerely. Independent of, the country became independent of foreign rule after a long struggle. Jealous of, the sibling rivalry made her jealous of her sister's achievements. Kind of, it's kind of you to offer your assistance during this busy time. Nice of, it was nice of him to help an elderly person cross the street. Proud of, the parents were proud of their child's academic achievements. Scared of, the child is scared of the dark and always sleeps with a nightlight. Silly of, it was silly of them to attempt such a dangerous stunt. Sweet of, it was sweet of her to surprise him with a homemade meal. Typical of, the behavior was typical of someone who lacked experience in such situations. Addicted to, she is addicted to caffeine and cannot start her day without a cup of coffee. Allergic to, he's allergic to nuts, so he carefully checks food labels before consumption. Related to, the family is related to several historical figures, tracing back their lineage. Accustomed to, having lived abroad for years, she's accustomed to diverse cultural practices. Addicted to, despite its harmful effects, he remained addicted to smoking. Allergic to, being allergic to pollen, she avoids outdoor activities during peak seasons. Committed to, the organization is committed to promoting sustainable practices. Dedicated to, she is dedicated to her career and works tirelessly to achieve her goals. Indifferent to, he remained indifferent to the political debates happening around him. Kind to, the teacher is always kind to students, providing guidance and support. Married to, they have been happily married to each other for over 2 decades. Opposed to, the activist is opposed to any form of discrimination. Receptive to, the manager is receptive to new ideas and encourages innovation. Related to, the two individuals are distantly related to each other through a common ancestor. Similar to, the new product is similar to existing models but boasts additional features. Superior to, the advanced technology is superior to traditional methods. Unfriendly to, the neighbor was consistently unfriendly to newcomers in the community. Blessed with, the region is blessed with fertile soil and a temperate climate. Crowded with, the concert venue was crowded with enthusiastic fans. Familiar with, she is familiar with the latest advancements in the tech industry. Angry with, he was angry with his team for not meeting the project deadline. Associated with, the brand is associated with high-quality products and excellent service. Bored with, she became bored with the repetitive tasks assigned to her. Blessed with, the couple is blessed with a loving family and supportive friends. Confronted with, the manager was confronted with unexpected challenges during the project. Content with, despite the setbacks, she remained content with her life choices. Crowded with, the market was crowded with shoppers taking advantage of the holiday sales. Delighted with, the customers were delighted with the new and improved product features. Disappointed with, she was disappointed with the subpar performance of the team. Fed up with, the employees were fed up with the lack of communication from upper management. Familiar with, as a seasoned traveler, she is familiar with various customs and traditions. Furious with, the supervisor was furious with the employee for repeated errors. Okay with, despite the last-minute changes, he was okay with the revised project timeline. Pleased with, the client was pleased with the outcome of the creative collaboration. Popular with, the new restaurant quickly became popular with locals and tourists alike. Satisfied with, the team was satisfied with the successful completion of the challenging project.